There you go. Go. It's all pretty. I think we're almost at the old man's cave. You watch everybody walking around because you got to see where you're going. The steps are a little tricky.
Yeah.
They're all covered with mud, sand. Do another pain man.
Yeah.
Alright. Going down into the darkest reaches of the earth. Oh, the cave. The cave. It's gonna get dark for a second. Oh, there's light at the end of the tunnel. Oh, ain't this cool? See the little light in the distance? It's our savior. So this takes you into Old Man's Cave. I guess it's the Old Man's Cave. That's different. Lower Falls and Old Man Cave. Oh, that takes us up over there to Old Man's Cave. That goes back out that way. And we go down that way to the Lower Falls. How far is that away?
Away.
Away. You want to go down there or you want to go to Old Man's Cave?
Let's go to Old Man's Cave because that will take us back out there.
Alright.
It's getting dropped.
Huh?
It's getting dropped.
Yeah. We do a painter. See the water shimmering off the rocks, the sun shining. Alright, we're going up to Old Man's Cave and head out of here. Definitely a great place to visit. Lots of falls, water. If you love all that waterfall stuff, this is the place to be. Huh? And it's free. Like free. It's free. Oh, look at that. Look at that strange tree up there. It's gonna live. Living on a rock, but it's gonna live. So we go back into another hole to get up out of here. Check that out. Isn't that neat? We just came down from that area over there. It goes down to the hole and comes out down here. This one goes through here. Up the steps. This is a little man-made, it looks like. It was carved into the rock. Hey, we're into some sunshine too. We like sunshine. One of them places you go to in Ohio, not far from Pittsburgh, Columbus, or anywhere, and see some nice sights. You can see the water drops falling. Pretty. That tree hanging on for dear life.
Oh, that'd be nice.
No, I don't. Most people don't think of that stuff. Anyways, here we are up in Old Man's Cave. It's a nice overhang. Got some big rocks. Trails are real worn, so it's not really hard to walk. Other than the wet spots and mud, you might be a little careful. Well, we're on the dry side now, so not so bad. A lot of this is sandstone, so you got a sandy texture to the ground. It's not necessarily muddy, so this helps out a little bit. All the way around, we cross that bridge down there, and all the way up here. Old Man Caves really are just overhangs. Nice and cool. That was a little cool today. We got a sweatshirt, a hoodie, and a coat on, and we walked this and really didn't break a sweat, so it's not too bad. Walking up the steps here. I think we're almost to the top. If you have a heart condition, this might not be a good thing to do. Definitely a good walk up.
It feels good to sit on the bike for a little bit.
Yeah, it might feel good to be on the bike for a little bit, yeah. Steps are uneven, they're not really well set.
This is not made for riding boots.
Yeah, these are not made for riding boots. That's for sure. Alrighty. There's another information board. And we're back up. Yeah, it brings you right back up to the visiting center where we started at. So, really a nice little trail. The last bit of steps might make you a little winded.
Yeah.
Because they're pretty steep. The rest of it was pretty much nice, easy, level, and easy walking. Alrighty, that was Old Man's Cave. Here we go. So, alrighty, I don't know how much video we got, and how much we're going to show you, but there'll be some. Alrighty. Alrighty. So we're going to the Gorge Overlook Trail. We're going to walk the trail, but we're going to check out the bridge. We saw it from below, because you make a big loop. That whole thing runs down that creek stream bottom which cleaned all that up.
Meanders.
Meanders through there, and like I said, it's a well-worn path for sure. So definitely a nice walk, nice trail, and good views everywhere you go. It's just beautiful stuff everywhere. Neat bridge, that's for sure. Yeah, this is the one that we looked at from down there.
Yeah.
So. How's the weather down there? Looks like it's raining.
Wet.
Wet.
So we can't get anything down here.
Oh, that's where that was when we walked underneath that one
Right.
concrete stuff. Neat steps.
All right, I'm ready.
Alrighty.
Recording.
Alrighty. We just went through that old man's cave. As you can tell, that was a really neat place to go to. What do you think, honey?
Oh, it was nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Definitely a nice walk. It took us, what, an hour and a half?
About that.
We started right over there, and it loops down through a canyon, basically. And you get to see all the water, and you've seen all the pictures here on the video. So, a really nice place to go to. Definitely worth the trip.
Wouldn't think it was down there.
Would not even know it's there. From up here, you would never know that's there. It's one of them hidden gems, you could say, hidden gems. So we're kind of almost out of coffee, and we like coffee places. So we're going to this place called the Coffee Emporium down the road here. Check that out. But they had a really nice welcome center, but it isn't complete or something. There's a campgrounds here. I don't know if you want to come to the campground or not. There's tons of campgrounds around. There's a KOA down the road. Everything is really close, so it's not like you have to go far to get there. Except for like McDonald's and stuff. That's 10 miles away.
Right. Best part is everything is free to go and do.
Yes, it's all free. I mean, all walking through there and all that's been free so far, other than the camping. So campgrounds ain't too bad this time of year, I guess.
No, because they're not full. The season's just beginning.
The season's just beginning, so we might go to Cedar Falls next. We did Ash Cave, and that was Old Man's Cave. We're going to go get us some lunch at the Coffee Emporium. Try that out. Have a nice hot cup of Java.
Yes.
And maybe a sandwich or two. And then we're going to come back up and hit the Cedar Caves and anything else we can find.
Cedar Falls.
Cedar Falls, sorry. Me and my grandma don't like each other.
That's why you have me here. Sweetheart.
Yeah, that's what I got her for. She hooks me up. The other thing is, it seems like we keep going back and forth on the same roads. In and out is the same thing. I guess there's nothing the other direction. You know, what we were going to see, we were going to do lots of rides. But since we're leaving tomorrow, we're not going to probably make those today. We wanted to go Hillbilly Hot Dogs also. We're going to try to do that. But like I said, we're leaving on tomorrow morning. So we're just doing the caves and stuff here locally today because the weather's going to stay with us today. After that, tomorrow looks like we better just go home. So.
Yeah, Sunday they're calling for some thunderstorms and possibly heavy rain.
Heavy rain, so we're going to bug out tomorrow. Not a big deal. It is what it is. But thanks for watching. This was the Old Man's Cave. This is BtheRiderPa with, and we're going to say we're out. She don't say out, I do that.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. That's why I was waiting for her. Have a good day. That's what she says. I say this is BRP. You know me. I'm out.